Meet Flick or Flick, and we're back with another video. So in today's video we'll be doing some winter prepping and purchasing a new truck for the family farm that we got going. Sorry about that. So I've just been going around the barns, making sure everything runs. Can't figure out what's wrong with the golf cart. I don't really care that it doesn't run. We have a snowplow for the TLX, and then we're also going to pick up another truck, and another trailer, and then a snowblower. We're going to be picking up a lot of stuff today. So to start it off, we're going to be picking up the new truck. And I don't know what to take. Alright, let's look in this barn. Is there anything we want to take in here? I want to be able to put it on the bed of it. I think we might just take the zero turn, because my neighbor, he's selling his old truck. It's not, I mean, it is old, but not super duper old. So yeah, now this is totally unrealistic, but just bear with me. There we go. Alright, so let's get this dragged outside. Alright, let's get moving to my neighbors. I put this up on Facebook Marketplace. I was actually one of the first to see it. And then I'm also going to be buying this snowblower. It's used. It's 13% off. 30% off is better than 0% off. So, yeah. I'm going to eventually make it there. This might take a while. So, there isn't really much we're going to do. We're going to have to plow up some of the fields. Now, I did not talk about it in the last video, but that is for firewood, so probably, I don't know, this year or next year, we might try to take some trees down and then maybe turn that into firewood as a small little side hustle. I don't know if that'll work, just mainly because these trees aren't really, I don't know if they're good for sawmilling, or milling, or, yeah. Because if we go into drone view here, yeah, there's little patches of, oh wow, little patches of forest and stuff, and I don't think it's really forestable. I could probably look at the farmland, and of course, it wants me to save my, career. So yeah, a lot of this doesn't look like it's able to be forested, but I could be totally wrong. Now this truck already has a snowplow on it, so we won't have to be doing any winter prepping for that. And it comes with a hay trailer. We already have one. We might just end up reselling it. Honestly, I don't know. It's a nice little TLX. Now apparently the story on this, my grandpa told me about it. The farmer who had it, or the guy who used to own it, he backed his tractor into the bed, and that totally ripped the bed apart. So, he couldn't use the bed. So then he just took it off and put a flatbed on it, which honestly I think it looks pretty good to flatbed on it. Honestly, I think flatbeds should be dualies. But yeah. So I'm gonna go talk to the guy. Oh, I already talked to the guy, but I got the keys. I got the title in my name. We're gonna have a nice little setup. Now, yeah, it starts up real nice. This is a really nice truck. I think we might be using this truck to pick up the snowblower, but we'll probably just use the either the 7810 or the case. Now, I don't know if we should use one of the, like, the 4440 or the 4840. Oh. Now I'm gonna get my zero turn put away. It's actually Grandpa's zero turn, but, you know. I could actually just use my little International garden tractor for it, but... oh, crap. So let's get this tossed off and put in the garage. not gonna shut the garage door just yet. Now, I hate these turning axle trailers because they like to jackknife super duper easily. And I think we're just gonna pull this around here. We're going to have to reorganize the shop, so we're going to buy the, snowblower. Do I take the... Oh, wrong way. These both have cabs. This is 19. 19, okay. Maybe not the best choice. Whichever tractor's fastest, I'll just use it, because I don't really want to spend super duper long. Oh, crap. 26, jeez. 23, okay. The case is the fastest, so we'll just take the case. Uh-oh. There we go. Now, that bush hog that we have in there, I'm probably going to be buying another one. Now, the reason why I have $17 million is because I'm still trying to build out the farm. But I promise once we get settled, it'll go down to, like, probably $500,000 or even $100,000. Because the bush hog that I currently have, that has a mulcher on it, which if I want to bale that grass that I'm going to probably end up cutting through here, I'm probably going to want to use a normal bush hog. Now, the thing that sucks is that I don't think any of my tractors have front PTOs, which, you know, kind of sucks, but whatever. So that means I won't be able to drive anything from the front. I'll be mainly in reverse for the majority of the winter. So, it's always fun. Oh, crud. Is this field Maybe next video we'll harvest that field. I don't really want to put it off because that's soybeans, and soybeans can make pretty good money. Oh, I should have taken the road, but, you know, I own this field, and I'm going to have to rip it up anyway because I don't want these potatoes in here. Because I don't really have the equipment, nor do I really want to invest the bajillion dollars that it needs into it. Speed limit's 35, I'm going 27, so it's always good. Now, yeah. We might need a stone picker eventually, because I'm probably going to have to rip up that field that has the stuff in it, so, yeah. So, we're about to hit the turn. Now, I have been looking into getting a gator, like an actual John Deere gator. I'm probably going to keep the sidekick, but just use the gator for, like, actual farm stuff, because that sidekick's just probably going to be used for me. Because Grandpa, he would use it for just to getting around the farm. He really never used it for actual work. Like, for example, probably this summer and spring, the local baseball field is going to have a revamp day, so farmers and community members usually come down and redo that field for them, give them a helping hand. I'm probably going to try to help, because Grandpa, he'd always help. I mean, I always help Grandpa, because the town would always subcontract him out, and then subcontract me out, which is kind of fun. Anyway, we're getting down. I have been thinking about doing corn, but I think probably soybeans will probably be the most profitable. Now, I have also been thinking about doing cows and cattle, which, I mean, I don't think would be super duper bad, but then again, I'm gonna have to get the funds for it, I mean, even though I have $17 million already, yeah, I would just prefer not to. So, this is ripping up the dirt, which is nice. Probably next video, we're gonna be harvesting, this field over here. I'm probably just gonna have an AI worker do it, because I'm lazy. Oh no, I'll have to wait a month. Oh crap. Because I have it set for 1 month. So that means, it'll be like so since it's raining, I don't really want to wait super duper long. Okay, what's the crap, wrong thing. Okay, at 12 it's supposed to stop, so maybe I'll just wait till then. We're gonna turn on into the farm. And we're just gonna cut around here. Oh, gosh dang. Should not have taken that route. Alright, so we're gonna back this sucker on up. We're gonna winter prep the TLX and then probably redo the storage situation I have going here for the new truck. So let's get on over there. So we're going to hop in the good old landscaper special, as I like to call it, the white truck with the different colored bed. Now we're gonna pull on up. Oh, great. Let's just make sure everything's there. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna make sure the pins are nice and in. Yep. It's all good on that side. All good on that side. So we're gonna pull this sucker into the little bay that we have. And then I think we're going to toss the TLX, or the other TLX, into the there we go. Into the probably barn, but I don't know. I think we'll just leave the hay trailer here. Oh, there we go. Ooh, we could just toss this in the storage building right there. Or kind of driving around, I know. Oh, and I just hit the ball. Yeah, let's just put it in the storage building next to the GMC. So, I just wanted to show you guys this and I end the video. There's nothing really too crazy with it. I'm probably gonna be doing a side gig here, and then also with the garden. But I need to get a planner for that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If I'm lucky, I'll see you in the next one.